Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode I'm going to explain how you can snooze emails in Gmail for later review. Let's get straight into it. So let's take a look at how to snooze a mail. We'll start with looking at snooze for a single mail. We're logged into Gmail and in the inbox, and I'm going to choose the top email. To snooze this mail, we roll our mouse pointer over the mail, and you'll see that on the right hand side a number of icons appear. The one that is of most interest to us is the clock icon on the far right hand side. Let's click that now. Gmail provides a number of option timings on which to snooze the email. You can snooze later today, tomorrow, next week, next weekend. I'm going to set a custom date and time, however, by choosing Select Date and Time. So let's choose a date and time and click Save. And we have a notification that the conversation has been snoozed. Now, while we're in the inbox, I'm going to demonstrate how to snooze multiple emails. We do this by moving to the left-hand side of the email information and choosing the Select box. Let's do that for a few emails. And to snooze those emails, we move up to the top bar, and as before, you see we have a clock icon. And if we choose that, you'll see again we're offered options. And if I choose one of those, you'll see those emails are moved out of the inbox, and we've had confirmation that the conversations have been snoozed. The last feature of Gmail snoozing to share with you is the Snoozed folder. When you snooze an email, the email is removed from the inbox and moved to this folder or label in Gmail. The folder can be found on the left of the inbox. By clicking on that folder, you'll see the 4 emails that we have snoozed shown. If you want to edit one of these emails, as before, we simply mouse over the email. You'll see the icons appear, and if we click on the clock icon on the far right, as before, we're presented with options to either choose a date or time to re-snooze the email to, or we can even unsnooze it, which will move it back to the inbox. I do hope you found this Woggle Guide useful. If you have, please click like and subscribe so that others can find it too. And please do leave your suggestions for the topics of any future Woggle Guides you'd like to see in the comments section below. Look after yourself until next time.